In today's video, we are going to learn how to stop Kidde alarm from beeping. So let's get started. First, press and hold the test reset button from around 5 to 6 seconds. This will temporarily silence the chirping and confirm that the alarm still has power. Next, remove the alarm from its mounting bracket by twisting or sliding it off the base on your wall or ceiling. After that, take out the old batteries. Most Kidde models use either 2AA batteries or 9-volt battery. Now insert fresh batteries, making sure the plus and minus signs line up correctly. Push them in firmly. Loose batteries are a common reason alarm keep chirping. Now reattach the detector to its base if it's a hardwired model. Connect the power plug securely. Press the test reset button again. You should hear a short beep or two, then the chirping should stop. If it's still chirping, check the manufacturer date printed on the back. Most alarm lasts 7 to 10 years. If it's older than that, it's reached the end of its lifetime to replace it with a new one. Or you can clean the detector using a soft cloth or compressed air. Dust or debris in the vents can sometimes trigger false chirping. And that's all about how to stop Kidde's battery from beeping.